Good morning. Right now it's 6:42. It is 68 degrees in Corpus Christi. We are dealing with a south-southwest breeze sustained around 14 miles per hour, and it is muggy outside. You can see your relative humidity at 96%. We do have some marine fog that we will be dealing with through the morning. It's President's Day, and it's looking like a windy one. Those flags will be blowing straight out. So we'll deal with gusty winds around 40 miles per hour heading into this afternoon. There will be a few breaks in the clouds, but overall more clouds than sunshine for the majority of the day. But we will see some sun later on this afternoon with a high around 82. Let's break down those winds, shall we? Right now we're dealing with southerly winds, and that will continue through about 1:30. You can see the winds picking up in their speed. We could see gusts 35 to possibly even a few isolated gusts nearing 40 miles per hour through about 4:30. Overnight, those winds will still be fairly gusty, 20 to 35 miles per hour, even heading into your Tuesday morning. Temperatures with these southerly winds, they're kicking up. 82 degrees, your high in Corpus Christi, 73 in Rockport, 86 through Robstown, 88 in Alice, so we'll be nearing 90 across the brush country there. A breakdown on Future Track, a slim chance for a shower through the morning. We have been seeing some rain between Freer and George West this morning, breaking it down the cloud coverage heading into the afternoon, especially further inland, but then we will see cloud coverage returning overnight with a slim chance for an isolated shower. Now on Tuesday, there will be more sun than clouds. We'll call Tuesday the sunniest day of the week. On Wednesday, we start to see our next chance of rain beginning to pick up. A weak disturbance moving through Wednesday, not quite a cold front, kind of a little bit of a trough moving through. You will notice a brief shift in the wind, but overall the stronger front is going to stall for the most part over central Texas. You can see wintry precip there just to our north of San Antonio, but that front finally moving south through South Texas Thursday into Friday morning, and you can see rain sticking around as we head into the weekend behind that front. So this front isn't drying us out very quickly once it moves through. It is going to drop temperatures quite a bit. Right now it looks like our high on Thursday around 78. By Friday, just 51 degrees. So that is going to be a strong drop between 20 and 29 degrees between your high on Thursday and your high on Friday. We are dealing with those breezy to windy conditions today. Gusts could be again closer to 40 miles per hour, sustained winds 15 to 25. It stays fairly windy, mostly out of the southeast through Wednesday. Thursday, we do see those winds shifting out of the northeast behind that cold front, and that's going to drop those temperatures heading into Friday. There'll be less wind over the weekend, but temperatures are cooler. We are dealing with highs in the 50s both Friday and Saturday. Your normal high is 73. The first half of the week, we will be above that with a high nearing 90 on Tuesday.